Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Is social media marketing a waste of your time? Well, pay close attention because in this video, I'm going to answer that question. Social media is all about knowing the right trick to lure your potential customers into your website. Now, this so-called trick does not include sending them boatloads of content that may or may not be useful to them. You see, the trick is to craft unique, high-quality content for that particular customer. I want you to think of social media marketing like fishing. If you toss out 10 lines that all have bait on them, you will attract fish, but you will fail to reel them in if you're unable to get their attention for more than a second or two. Keep this in mind. People's attention spans these days are a span of 8 seconds. A fish has an attention span of 9 seconds. So what that means for you is you need the right bait, the right hook, and the knowledge regarding what should be done once those fish are hooked. So what's the bait then on social media? You're trying to make use of the old saying, if you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. You see, everyone has a problem. For example, there are people who have difficulty with finances. They can't sleep at night. They have trouble losing weight. So what your goal is you need to find out first, who is your perfect audience? Who is the main person, the main market that you are looking to attract to you? Okay? Your product and service isn't for everybody. Okay, when you market to everybody, you market to nobody. You don't want to be selling steak to a vegan. So you need to know who is your perfect audience. Once you know who your perfect audience is, you want to offer advice on how to solve their problems. Just think about how great it is when someone tells you some profound information that gets rid of your problem. All right? You're so happy and grateful that you're willing to bend over backward to return a fraction of the favor that they've done for you. They're going to be grateful. And that's what happens when people go on social media. They find a solution to a problem. What that does is it builds that know, like, and trust factor that people are going to buy from you. Okay, so that brings us to the next question of what do you do next once you offer advice on how to solve their problems. You've got them you've got them right in the palm of your hand. You need to have a call to action to get them on your email list. That is the most important thing you need to be doing, is building up your email list. That's the #1 asset in your business. Okay, because with that email list, that gives you permission, okay? When they put in their email address to get on your email list, they are giving you permission for you to follow up with them, with providing them more value, more content, and most importantly, your offers. Okay, so that's a commitment to getting them to start the process. Now, are all of them who get on your list going to buy from you? No, they're not. But what the email list does is it's a process of sifting and sorting. So now you're going to find the most interested people to follow up with, because if people start responding to your emails, they start replying back to you, that is a highly targeted lead that is eventually going to become a buyer. Now, here's what I don't want you to do, okay? I don't want you to use the first option of tossing out content to everyone, okay? This technique is a complete gamble because you're waiting for someone to reach you back, okay? And that's why so many people fail in social media marketing. What you want to be known as the go-to person in your niche, so that when people know, if you're somebody who is good with health and wellness, all right, especially for moms who are first-time moms who are looking to lose that baby weight, okay, you want to have people say, hey, go check you out. I mean, check out what she did. You know, Susie was able to go and lose, 20 pounds of baby weight, from her first pregnancy by doing this. She can really help you, all right? Because what happens, this is what happens, is that people who love your content on social media and you're providing solutions to problems, what they're going to do is, part of returning the favor, they'll either become a lead and get on your newsletter, and they're also going to be spreading word of mouth. And they're going to come to you and they're going to say, hey, I've got other people to refer to you. All right, I'm going to share with you what happened with me recently. I have a fan page for my diabetes where I promote products and services for diabetics. And on my fan page, I had a good friend of mine who I never really talked to that, we talk, frequently, but I don't mention a lot with my business and trying to prospect her. But I told her about my fan page. All right, I invited her to like my fan page. She liked my fan page, and what she's been doing, even though she's not diabetic, she's been referring people, okay, because she's gone to my fan page, she likes my video content, she's going out and she's referring people to my fan page. And she'll message me and say, hey, I just referred some people to your fan page, which is a really nice thing, okay? Because that's what happens when you set yourself up as the authority and you are focusing on one particular market, okay? And when you do this, you're going to build an audience, you're going to engage that audience. Selling becomes so much easier because you are now not seen as the used car salesman. You're not turning your social media profile into an online advertising board. People are going to be attracted to you rather than you going out and chasing people. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. Now, how would you like to learn how to use social media the right way to get leads for free? Well, my good friend Aaron Parker just did a 2.5-hour training where he is going to show you how to leverage Facebook to get free leads for life to grow any business. Okay, he's going to show you really how to go in and leverage Facebook from your profile to going into groups to doing Facebook Messenger, on how to really serve your audience and get people reaching out to you, begging to get on your email list. To get access to this training, all you need to do is go to www.drlisamthompson.com/free leads. And when you go to that, to the link there that I just said, www.drlisamthompson.com/free leads, all you have to do is put in your best email, and I will send this 2-hour video training over to your email box right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.